Mangoes, the king's fruit and the king of fruit. Mango, often hailed as the king of fruits, has been celebrated for its delicious flavor, nutritional value, and cultural significance for thousands of years. This fruit, with its rich history and global popularity, is much more than just a sweet treat. It is a symbol of tropical bounty, a staple in various cuisines, and a significant agricultural product in many countries. Origin and history. The history of the mango, Mangifera indica, traces back to the Indian subcontinent, where it has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. Ancient Indian texts and scriptures frequently mention the mango, illustrating its deep-rooted presence in the region's culture and traditions. The fruit was so revered that it became a subject of poetry, art, and religion. Mangoes were first introduced to the world outside India by Persian traders, and later by Portuguese explorers in the 15th century. The Portuguese took mango seeds to Africa and Brazil, facilitating the spread of the fruit to the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Today, mangoes are grown in many countries across Asia, Africa, and the Americas, with India remaining the largest producer, followed by countries like China, Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Botanical characteristics. Mango trees are large, evergreen trees that can reach heights of up to 100 feet, with a canopy spreading over 30 feet or more. They belong to the family Anacardiaceae, which also includes cashews and pistachios. The trees are known for their long lifespan, with some living for over 300 years and continuing to bear fruit. The leaves of the mango tree are lanceolate, leathery, and dark green when mature, while new leaves are reddish or purplish. The flowers are small, white to yellowish, and are borne in large panicles. Each flower has 5 petals and a strong, sweet fragrance that attracts pollinators. Mango fruits vary significantly in size, shape, color, and flavor, depending on the cultivar. They can be oval, round, or kidney-shaped, and range from a few ounces to over 5 pounds. The skin color can be green, yellow, red, or a combination of these, often with a fragrant aroma. Inside, the flesh is juicy and ranges in color from pale yellow to deep orange. At the center of the fruit is a large, flat seed. Varieties and cultivation. There are over 500 known varieties of mangoes, each with unique characteristics in terms of taste, texture, and appearance. Some of the most popular varieties include Alfonso, Papoose. Known as the king of mangoes, Alfonso is prized for its rich, creamy texture and intense sweetness. It is primarily grown in the western part of India. Hayden. One of the first varieties to be grown in Florida, USA, Hayden is medium to large with a sweet, rich flavor and a brilliant red and yellow skin. Kent. This variety is known for its sweet, rich flavor and minimal fiber, making it excellent for eating fresh. Tommy Atkins. Widely grown due to its resistance to disease and long shelf life, Tommy Atkins has a mild flavor and is commonly found in supermarkets worldwide. Atolfo, honey or champagne. A small, yellow mango known for its creamy, sweet flesh and minimal fiber. Cultivating mangoes requires a tropical or subtropical climate with a distinct dry season to induce flowering and fruiting. The trees thrive in well-drained soils with a pH between 5.5 and 7.5. Mango cultivation involves regular irrigation, pruning, and pest management to ensure healthy growth and high yields. Nutritional value and health benefits. Mangoes are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. A typical mango is rich in vitamins A and C, folate, vitamin E, and B-complex vitamins. It also provides a good amount of dietary fiber, antioxidants, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Health benefits of mangoes include boosting immunity. High levels of vitamin C and vitamin A in mangoes help strengthen the immune system. Promoting digestion. The dietary fiber in mangoes aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Supporting eye health. Vitamin A and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin in mangoes promote good vision and prevent age-related macular degeneration. Enhancing skin and hair. Vitamin C aids in collagen formation, essential for healthy skin and hair. Preventing cancer. Antioxidants such as quercetin, isoquercitrin, and astragalin in mangoes have been found to protect against certain cancers. Culinary uses. Mangoes are incredibly versatile in the culinary world. They can be enjoyed in various forms, from fresh slices to smoothies, salads, and desserts. Here are some popular culinary uses of mangoes. Fresh consumption. Mangoes are often eaten fresh, either on their own or in fruit salads. Juices and smoothies. Mango juice and smoothies are popular beverages, often blended with other fruits for a refreshing drink. Salsas and chutneys. Mangoes add a sweet and tangy flavor to salsas and chutneys, complementing savory dishes. Desserts. Mangoes are used in a variety of desserts, including ice creams, sorbets, puddings, and cakes. Pickles. In India and other countries, raw mangoes are often pickled with spices to create. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.